Alright, today we got here a Numark TTUSB professional turntable. This was given to me by a good friend of mine, and when I got it, the needle was in pretty rough shape. So we're gonna go over replacing the needle on this turntable. Everything else looks good on it. It works. Everything appears to be nice. So should just need new new needle, and it'll be back in business. This one is probably one of the easiest needles you can replace if you're looking to replace the needle on this turntable. They're very simple. The whole cartridge comes out here. You've got this this little piece here. You just turn it clockwise and it'll start coming out. And then you just keep turning it, and then the whole cartridge comes out just like so. And then you've got your contacts for connecting your cartridge to your actual arm there. But that's it. Nice and simple. The whole thing comes out. And then if you flip it over, you've got where the stylus goes into the cartridge right here. And you know, the two notches, and then the actual center where the stylus goes through. So we're going to set that down there. Grab the new stylus here. And then this will just come out like so. And just turns like so, and just be careful. You don't want to damage it. That was what happened to the last one. But that's just part that contacts the record there. So if you flip it up like that, that's how we'll be working. And that'll just go into there like so, and I'll actually flip it over this way so you can kind of get an idea of what is going on here. So let's see here. Sorry, I got to move the camera a little bit just so I can see. So yeah, there's where it's going in, and there's where the stylus is right there. So nice and simple. All you do is just slide it in, and voila, just like that. As easy as pie. Alright. And then you don't want to drop it. You damage that and you're out another stylus, and you spend another $10. So this has a little pin up at the top here, and that will go like that into a little receiver at the top there, and it slides in, and then you turn it counterclockwise until it's nice and tight. Don't wrench tight it, just, you know, to where it feels comfortably snug. And there we go. That's it. Have a good one.